In this video, I'm going to show you how to change ChatGPT voice to male or female. So firstly, go to ChatGPT and log into your ChatGPT account. So once you're here on your account here, once you've logged into your account here, so what we're going to do, you're going to go and click on your profile. So it could be on your top right in some people in some places, or else on your bottom left here where it says your name. Say click on your name, and once you click on your name, you'll have the settings gear option there. Click on the settings option. So this will take you to the settings option here. Okay, so once you're on the settings option under general, so click on general. So from general, you'll see there's an option called voice. Okay, so all you have to do is there's a play button. That's you have to click on it to play the voice currently in. So if you want to change it, click on the next arrow there, and here you will have like male and female voice, like both are mixed together. So what you have to do is you have to simply like listen to them. Just select one, hit on play, and listen to the voice and see if you want like a male or female voice, and you can choose the best voice that you want to have it. So you can simply just scroll around, choose one, and then hit on play and see if it's something that you want. Then you can just leave it as it is, and if you like reload the ChatGPT, it should be now the voice should have been then changed to whatever you just selected, and that's pretty much it is.